Cardano is worth 5.0372 rands per coin at the moment, with a price range of 4.85195.1589 and a previous day closing of 5.1820, representing a move of 0.1448, 2.79%. Cardano forecast on Monday, July 10, cost 4.77 rands high 5.10 low 4.44 Cardano estimate on Tuesday, July 11, cost 4.31 rands high 4.61 low 4.01 Cardano forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost 4.29 rands high 4.59 low 3.99 Cardano forecast on Thursday, July 13, cost 3.90 rands high 4.17 low 3.63 Cardano, cost forecast on Tuesday, July 4, cost 3.58 rands high 3.83 low 3.33 Cardano, cost forecast on Wednesday, July 5, cost 3.56 rands high 3.81 low 3.31 Cardano, cost forecast on Thursday, July 6, cost 3.70 rands high 3.96 low 3.44 Cardano, cost forecast on Friday, July 7, cost 3.61 rands high 3.86 low 3.36 and approximately 14 days Cardano, cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost 3.54 R high 3.79 low 3.29 Cardano conjecture on Tuesday, July 11, cost 3.64 rands high 3.89 low 3.39 Cardano, cost expect station on Wednesday, July 12, cost 3.61 rands high 3.86 low 3.36 Cardano, cost expectation on Thursday, July 13, cost 3.75 rands high 4.01 low 3.49 Cardano, cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost 3.76 rands high 4.02 low 3.50 and 3 weeks Cardano conjecture on Monday, July 17, cost 3.82 rands high 4.09 low 3.55. The first place cost was 7.38 rands, while the excessive cost was 7.53 rands. The medium value of cost was 5.49 Cardano, cost gauge for the months, and 3.76 change for June, 49.1% Cardano gauge for July 2023. In the first place cost at 3.76 rands, exorbitant cost 4.13 while low cost 2.94, they discovered the middle value of cost 3.50 Cardano, cost gauge toward the months and 3.16 change for July 1 st.9 Cardano, cost figure for September 2023 initially cost 3.22 rands, excessive cost 3.52 while low cost 3.06. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.27 Cardano, cost figure toward the months and years, change of 3.29 for September 2, 0.2% Cardano cost projection for October 2023 began at 3.29 rands. Excessive cost 3.88 and low cost 3.29. He reached at the middle of cost 3.52 Cardano, cost figure toward the months in 3.63% change for October, 10.3% Cardano number for November 2023 began at 3.63%. Rands exorbitant cost 3.69, while low cost 3.21 arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.50 Cardano, cost figure toward the months and 3.45 change for November, 5% Cardano cost expectation for December 2023 to begin with cost at 3.45 rands, exorbitant cost 4.28. While low cost 3.45 arrived at the midpoint of cost 3.80 Cardano cost gauge toward the month's end change of 4.00 for December, 15.9% Cardano gauge for January 2024. To begin with a cost of 4.00 rands, exorbitant cost 40.00 while low cost 3.12, they discovered the middle value of cost 3.62 Cardano cost gauge toward the months and 3.36 change for January, 16% Cardano cost expectation for February 2024 to begin with cost at 3.36 rands, exorbitant cost 3.36. While low cost 2.62, they discovered the middle value of cost 3.04 Cardano, cost gauge toward the months and 2.82 change for February, 16.1% Cardano gauge for WAC 2024, 2.66 change for spring, 5.7. Cardano cost forecast for April 2024 at the outset cost of 2.66 rands, excessive cost 2.94 while low cost 2.56. They arrived at the middle of cost 2.73. Cardano cost forecast for the month's end 2.75 change for April 3.4%. Cardano forecast for May 2024 first and foremost cost a 2.75 rands, exorbitant cost 2.75 while low cost 2.28. He discovered the midpoint of cost 2.56. Cardano cost estimate toward the months and 2.45 change from a 10.9% Cardano forecast for July 4/24 first and foremost cost at 2.45 rands, exorbitant cost 3.01 while low cost 2.45. He discovered the midpoint of cost 2.68. Cardano cost estimate toward the months and 2.81. Bitcoin gains slow down after reaching a high point in June. The total value of the crypto market goes up. CoinMarketCap says that the overall value of the cryptocurrency market grew by 10.8% over the past week to reach $1.184 trillion. Over the past week, Bitcoin went up 15%, ending the week at $30.4 thousand. Ethereum rose by 9.5%, reaching $1,890. Other major altcoins in the top 10 had mixed results, with BNB losing 2.8% and Cardano gaining 11.1%. On Friday, Bitcoin's price went back up to near $31.4 thousand, which was its high point in early June. However, the rise didn't last, and over the weekend, the price went back down to $30.3 thousand. People often say that the rise in BTC prices is due to dreams of launching spot Bitcoin ETFs, which would make it easier for institutions to get their hands on the most popular cryptocurrency. Aside from that, the crypto's recent march to the north has also been helped by technical reasons. BTC broke through the support of the 50-day moving average and stayed above the upper edge of the downward channel. Even more important, a bounce off the 200-week MA was a strong sign. From the bottom of the long-term positive corridor made by the lows in November 2022 and March 2023, there was a bounce and a quick rise. In the short term, Bitcoin will need to cool down after March, but overall, it has a much better chance of hitting the upper boundary at $34.5 thousand within a month than the lower boundary at $26.1 thousand. Even though the market looks good, it needs to calm down in the coming days. Mark Yesko, who started Morgan Creek Capital, thinks that the recent rise in Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies is a sign of the start of a new bullish cycle that will last until the split next spring. He thinks that BTC will finally take the place of gold as a way to store